students to join. Okay, Ma, what we discussed in the previous session? Can anyone of you please respond what we discussed in the previous session? Nalini, Preeti, roll number 39.
We solved a few programs on code signal, ma'am.
Yes, we have written the test cases using the code signal platform. Now we'll move on to a regular session. In the previous session, we have completed greedy method, right? And today's session will discuss about dynamic programming and the problems about dynamic programming. So in this session, we'll discuss about dynamic programming. 53, are you there? Okay, ma. Can anyone tell me what is dynamic programming? Can anyone tell me what is dynamic programming? గుర్తుందా మర్చిపోయారా ఏదో ఒకటి రెస్పాండ్ అయితే కదా నేను చెప్పగలను. Okay, dynamic programming means the name itself it is saying dynamic. Dynamic means you can able to take the decision at each and every stage. Okay, for example, you want to move to some cities. For example, this is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. You initially thought this is the shortest path to reach from source to destination. But when you come here, you feel that maybe this is the best route to reach the destination. So you can able to change the decision because it is dynamic programming. So you can able to change your decision at each and every phase. Am I clear with this? You can able to change the decision at each and every phase. So dynamic programming means which is a sequence of decisions. It's not a single decision. It is a sequence of decisions. Got it, ma? Dynamic programming means it is a sequence of decisions. to reach the source to destination, or whatever maybe. It is a sequence of destination to solve the optimization problem. Optimization problem means that maybe the minimum distance or maybe the maximum profit. So optimized problems means which are nothing but the min max problems. Based on the problem, you may retrieve the minimum value or you may retrieve the maximum value. Optimization problems are nothing but the minimization or maximization problems. What is dynamic programming means? Which is a sequence of decisions to solve the optimization problems. Am I clear with the definition? Say yes or no. Sheshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Oh, yes, ma'am. Every ma'am andi.
ma'am, explain 1 second.
See, ma, dynamic programming means it is a sequence of decisions. నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నా అంటే సపోజ్ ఇది సోర్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది కూకట్పల్లి అనుకోండి. ఈ కూకట్పల్లి నుంచి మీరు సికింద్రాబాద్ వెళ్ళాలి. Assume this is the shortest way. You feel direct way. Direct way means I don't know exactly, Balnagar, Boinpalli. In this way you may go, but when you reach to some Y junction, you feel that okay, the traffic is very much high in this route, so I will change my route to something via Amirpet. You can go to Secunderabad. Why you have changed? Initially you thought that this path, but at some point of time you can change your decision. This is nothing but the dynamic programming. Am I clear with this? Dynamic programming is a sequence of decisions. Here one decision, here another decision. So it is a sequence of decisions to solve the optimization problems. Optimization problem means ikkada nee problem enti, nee criteria or nee constraint enti. You have to reach to the Secunderabad. You have to reach to the destination as much as faster, which means with minimum distance you want to reach to your destination. So dynamic programming means which is a sequence of decisions which are used to solve the optimization problems. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm moving forward. In this, we'll first see the all pairs shortest path. First, we will discuss the all pairs shortest path. Do you remember the example or you want me to explain? No need to hesitate anything. If you want me to explain, I'll explain, ma'am.
Explain, ma'am.
Okay, first we'll take one example. Assume this is the given graph. What does it mean? All pair shortest path means you have to find the shortest path from each and every vertex to remaining all, which means all pairs. Assume the vertex is 1. What are the possible pairs? 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. These are the possible pairs. If you consider 2, what are the possible pairs? 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 4. If you consider 3, what are the possible pairs? 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. What are the, if you consider the fourth vertex, what are the possible pairs? 4 to 1, 4 to 2, and 4 to 3. Everything you have to find out. Everything you have to find out. What is the shortest distance of 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4? For each and every pair, you have to find the shortest distance. That is nothing but the problem of all pairs shortest path. Now, first, how can you solve this? Means first take the given graph in the form of a adjacency matrix. Why I have taken adjacency matrix means graph can be represented either by using adjacency matrix or by using adjacency list. So here I am considering the adjacency matrix. Andar respond avali cheppandi. 1 2 3 4. Again 1 2 3 4. Tell me what is the distance 1 to 1. 1 to 1 is 0 because I am in Kukatpalli. What is the distance to reach the same destination, that is Kukatpalli? It simply shows that it is 0. So source to destination same vertex ainappudu there is no distance. It is simply 0. What is 1 to 2?
5.
5. 1 to 3?
9, ma'am.
1 to 4?
1.
No edge. No edge means we don't know the distance. So simply I'm assuming the maximum distance, that is infinite. Any doubt regarding this first row?
It's clear, ma'am.
Next 2 to 1. If there is no edge means tell me
No
the distance as infinity. 2 to 2.
0, ma'am.
2 to 3.
1, ma'am.
2 to 4.
Infinity, ma'am.
3 to 1.
Infinity, ma'am.
3 to 2.
2, ma'am. 3 to 2. No edge, ma'am.
3 to 3.
0, ma'am.
3 to 4.
2.
4 to 1.
Infinity.
4 to 2.
3.
4 to 3.
Nothing, ma'am. Infinity.
4 to 4.
0.
Okay. Can anyone please note down this matrix? I'll take another page. Right, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me what is the given matrix. A power 0 I'm assuming. Given matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I remember, it is 0, 5, 9,
9,
infinity, and
infinity.
all these are infinities. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 1 infinity. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
What are remaining?
0. Again, infinity, 0, 2. 3, infinity, 0.
Okay, this is the given matrix. Observe carefully, ma. Next, I'm going to find Rishita Leda class lo. She's not there. Absent. Okay, 34. Navama.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just for confirmation, that's it. Next, A power 1. A power 1 means from 1 to remaining all vertices you have to find. From 1 to remaining all vertices means when you are finding A power 1 means you make sure that first row and first column as same as it is. You keep first row and first column as it is. So next 2 to 2 which is 0 only, 3 to 3 which is 0 only, 4 to 4 is also 0. Now 2 to 3. 2 to 3 via vertex 1 because now we are going through 1. So via vertex 1, is there any distance which is possible less than 1? We have to verify. First 2 to 1 which is infinity. So 1 less. We'll update this. Next 2 to 4. 2 to 4 via 1, is there any distance which is less than infinity? We'll check. 2 to 1. 2 to 1 itself infinity. 1 to 4. 1 to 4 is also infinity. Infinity plus infinity is infinity. So it is infinity only. Next 3 to 2 via the vertex 1. Now 3 to 1 which is infinity. 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is 5, infinity plus 5 is infinity only. So same we will get. Next 3 to 4, 3 to 4 via 1, 3 to 1 is infinity. So 2 is obviously less than infinity. Next 4 to 2, 4 to 2, 4 to 1 via 1, 4 to 1 means which is infinity, 3 itself is the less one. Next 4 to 3 via 1. 4 to 1, which is infinity. Infinity plus anything is infinity. So we will get infinity only. Same matrix we got here. Right, ma? Any confusion for finding a bar 1? Seshu.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, please note down this matrix. I'll ask you in the next screen. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is a power 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. This we have to take it as our input. This is 0, this is 5, 9, infinity, 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 infinity. This is 0, 1, infinity.
Infinity 0, 2. And 3 infinity 0.
3 infinity, ఇది 0. ఇక్కడ ఏంటిదమ్మా 3 to 4?
అది 2, ma'am.
2. Okay. Now we'll find a power 1 we have calculated, right? So a power 2. A power 2 means when you are calculating from second vertex to remaining all vertices, you make sure that keep second row and second column as it is. So second row and second column as it is means simply 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second row means which is 5, 0, second column, right? Second row. And these diagonal elements are anyway zeros only. Next, observe carefully. 1, 2, 3, which is 9. Via 2, is there any distance possible which is less than 9? We are verifying. 1, 2, 2. What is 1, 1, 2, 2? What is 1, 2, 2? From the given diagram, you tell me, ma. 1, 2, 2.
5.
5. 2, 2, 3.
1.
1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6. Which one is the smaller one? 6 or 9? Which one is
6, 6.
6? So we will update this with 6. Am I clear why I have updated it with 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 1 to 4, which is infinity. Via 2, is there any possibility? We'll verify. 1 to 2 means which is 5. 2 to 4 is infinity. Infinity plus 5 is obviously infinity. Next, 3 to 1, which is also infinity. Via 2, is there any possibility? We'll check. 3 to 2, infinity. Infinity plus anything is infinity. So we will update it with infinity only. Next, 3 to 4 via 2. 3 to 2 is infinity. So 2 is obviously less than infinity. So 2 I'm updating. Next, 4 to 1. 4 to 1 is infinity. Via 2, is there any other possible value? We'll check. 4 to 2 is 3. What is 2 to 1? Infinity. 3 plus infinity is infinity only. Next, 4 to 3. 4 to 3 is also infinity. Via 2. 4 to 2 is 3. 2 to 3 is 1. 3 plus 1 is, what can I update here? 4 or infinity? What can I update? 4 or infinity? Observe here, ma. 4 to 3 is infinity. Via vertex 2, is there any distance possible which is less than infinity? I'm verifying. 4 to 2. 4 to 2 is 3. 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is 1. Altogether 3 plus 1 is 4. Which one will you update?
4, ma'am.
4 we will update. Yes, roll number 23. Very good. So it is 4. Am I clear with this? Please,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
make a note. Seshu, I'm moving to the next screen. Next page.
Done, ma'am.
Now a power 2 we have to take like an input. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. If I remember 0, 5, 6, infinity, infinity, 0, 1, infinity.
Infinity 0, 2, 3, 4, 0.
Here 3, 4, 0, infinity. ఇక్కడ ఏంటమ్మా value? I think third in mistake is
Ma'am,
infinity.
0 to infinity.
Third row ఒకసారి చెప్పమ్మా.
Infinity 0, 2.
అంతేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే. ఇక్కడ 3, ఇక్కడ కూడా మిస్టేక్ వేసినట్లు. Here it is infinity and it is 0, right?
No, ma'am. 4 1 is infinity.
Infinity 340. Infinity 340. ఒక్క నిమిషం అమ్మ. 056 infinity, infinity 01 infinity, infinity 02, infinity 340. Okay, done. Now A par 3. Now you people tell me, I will write. Which one you will take it as it is?
Third row and
Which one
third
you will
column.
take? What, ma?
Third row and third column.
Third row and third column. Third row and this one, and third column is 6 1 0 4. All diagonal elements are zeros only. Next we will find 1 2 2 is 5 via vertex 3. Is there any possibility? 1 2 3, which is 6. 3 2 2, 3 2 2 is infinity, so 5 itself is the lesser value. Next 1 2 4, 1 2 4 is infinity, and 1 2 via 3, right? 1 2 3 is 6. 3 to 4, 3 to 4 is 2, right? 3 to 4 is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Which one will you
8.
update?
8, ma'am.
8 we will update. Next 2 to 1, 2 to 1 is infinity. Via vertex 3, is there any other possibility? 2 to 3, 2 to 3 is 1. 3 to 1, 3 to 1 is infinity, so it is infinity only. Next 2 to 4, 2 to 4 is infinity. Via vertex 3 we will check. 2 to 3, 2 to 3 is 1.
1.
3 to 4 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3.
3.
So here we will update with 3. Next 4 to 1, 4 to 1 is infinity. Via vertex 3, is there any possibility? 4 to 3, 4 to 3 is 4. 3 to 1 is infinity. Infinity plus 4 is infinity
Infinity.
only. Next 4 to 2, which is 3. Via vertex 3 we will check. 4 to 3, 4 to 3 is 4.
4.
3 to 2 is infinity. Infinity plus 4 is infinity. Which one is less? 3 is the lesser
3.
one. Okay, please note down this A par 3 matrix.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Here it is 0 5 6 8. Next tell me, ma.
Infinity 0 1 3.
Mm.
Infinity 0 2.
Mm.
Infinity 3 4 0.
Now we have to find the A power 4. A power 4 means, which one will you keep as it is?
Fourth row and fourth column.
Fourth row and fourth column. Fourth row and fourth column means this is the fourth row and this is the fourth column, and these are simply zeros. Now 1 to 2, which is 5, via 4 we have to check. What is 1 to 4? 1 to 4 is 8. 4 to 2 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 5 itself is the lesser one. Next 1 to 3 is 6. 1 to 4 and 4 to 3 will check. 1 to 4 is 8. 4 to 3 is 4. 12. 6 itself is the lesser one. Next 2 to 1 is infinity. Via 4 we will check. 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is 3. 4 to 1 is infinity. Here we will get infinity only. Next 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is 1. Via 4. 2 to 4 is 3. Ikkade 1 less. Next 3 to 1, which is infinity. 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. 3 to 4 is 3 to 4 is
2.
2. 4 to 1 is infinity. So
Infinity.
here we will get infinity only. Next 3 to 2, which is also infinity, via 4. 3 to 4, which is 2, and 4 to 2, which is 3. 2 plus 3 is
5.
5. So we'll replace it with 5. This is the final matrix we got. Is there any confusion regarding this?
No, ma'am.
Now I'll give you one question. Please solve it. Same question will take as the input in the program. Okay, I'll tell you the question. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 2. 0 to 1 is 5. 0 to 1 is 5 and 0 to 3 is 10. Next 1 to 2 is 3. 2 to 3 is 1. Okay, ma, assume this is the given graph. Please find the shortest distance from each and every path. Will you do it? Is there any difficulty? Nalini, are you following, ma? 37, 49. Bhargavi anukunta 39. Are you following? Can you please respond?
Yes, ma'am.
39. Okay, please solve it and tell me the answer. I'll give you 10 minutes. Done, ma? Have you completed? Please acknowledge. Sheshu, అయిపోయిందమ్మా?
No, ma'am.
Anish ready?
No, ma'am, doing.
Okay, please acknowledge after completion. Nalini completed.
Doing, ma'am.
Nalini,
Yes, ma'am.
completed, ma?
Doing, ma'am.
Complete చేయండి fast గా.
Ma'am, can you once again explain and it will confuse?
ఏదమ్మా?
Like when A1 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ట్రాన్సిషన్ ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ లో 0 అని పెట్టుకున్న తర్వాత సెకండ్ చేస్తాం కదా మ్యామ్, అది 1 to 0 0 to 2 అని తీసుకో 1 to 2 అని తీసుకోవాలా?
సరే ఒకసారి చూడు. What is the given matrix here? 0 1 2 3. 0 1 2 3. All diagonal elements are zeros. గివెన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏంటి మనకి 0 to 1 5, 0 to 2 there is no transition, 0 to 3 is 10, 1 to 0 is no transition, 1 to 2 is 3, 1 to 3 no transition, 2 to 0 no transition, 2 to 1 no, 2 to 3 is 1, 3 to no more transitions, so it is simply infinities. ఇంతవరకు డౌట్ లేదు కదా? This is given. I did not do anything. When you calculating a power 1, you just keep the given matrix, you just keep first row and first column as it is. So 0, 5, infinity, 10 and all are infinities. Okay. Next. 1 to 1 is 0, 2 to 2 is 0, 3 to 3 is 0. Next 1 to 2, జాగ్రత్త చూడమ్మా, 1 to 2 is 3. అదేంటి గివెన్ మనకి. ఇప్పుడు via is there any possibility through intermediate vertex? Intermediate vertex ద్వారా 3 కన్నా ఇంకా ఏదైనా లెస్ డిస్టెన్స్ తో మనం రీచ్ అవ్వగలమా అని చెక్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో 1 to 0, 1 to 0 is infinity, 0 to 2 which is also infinity. On infinity na 3 na ante yes it is 3 only. Next 1 to 3, 1 to 3 is infinity. Via the intermediate vertex is there any possibility? 1 to 0 is infinity, so infinity plus anything is infinity only. Next 2 to 1, 2 to 1 is 2 to 1 via the vertex 0. 2 to 1 is already infinity. Via the vertex 0, 2 to 0. 2 to 0 is also infinity. 0 to 1, infinity plus anything anyway, it is infinity. Next 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is 1. Via 0 means 2 to 0 is infinity only. So it is 1. It is 1. Next 3 to 1. 3 to 1 is infinity via vertex 0. 3 to 0 is infinity. Infinity plus anything is infinity. 3 to 2, which is infinity. 3 to 0 is infinity means here we will get infinity only. Got it, ma, Nalini?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you do the remaining 2?
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
2, remaining 3. A power 2, A power 3, A power 4. Remaining 3 you calculate and tell me after completion. Final matrix you tell me. 5 more minutes, ma. Please complete. Completed ma? Sheshu?
I'm doing.
ఇంకెంతసేపు చేస్తారయ్యా చిన్న ప్రాబ్లం. నళిని కంప్లీట్ అయిందా?
మ్యామ్ 1 minute లాస్ట్.
ఓకే. రోల్ నెంబర్ 39 చేసావమ్మా?
మ్యామ్
నళిని చెప్పమ్మా.
మ్యామ్ ఐ గాట్ 0589.
వెయిట్ ఎ మినిట్, జస్ట్ ఎ సెకండ్. టెల్ మీ ద ఆన్సర్.
0589 034 infinity 01 infinity 0.
Okay. We'll check with the remaining people. What you got, Seshu? Have you completed? Seshu.
Ma'am, doing.
ఇంకెక్కడి దాకా వచ్చావు? ఏ పార్ట్ 2 ఏ పార్ట్ 3 కనుక్కున్నావా?
Yes, ma'am. A power 4.
Make it fast ma, 2 more minutes, that's it. ఓకే మా, ఇంకా కంప్లీట్ కాని వాళ్ళు తర్వాత చేసుకోండి అమ్మా. Listen to the class first. Now, based on this, can we able to generate the formula? What is the formula here? Suppose if you want to find out the distance of ij, suppose 0 to 1 or not, or 0 to 2 or 0 to 3, whatever may be, what we are finding? We are finding the minimum value, minimum of the given one, which is distance of I comma j, or with the help of intermediate vertex. Intermediate vertex means ik plus kj. Is it not? formula? Seema, here, for example, 3 to 1 is infinity. It is infinity. Next to what we are checking, is there any possibility to get the minimum cost, to get the less value of infinity with the help of intermediate vertex? Intermediate, this is I know, this is J. First we are taking this infinity comma. This intermediate vertex I am assuming like K. Ik plus Kj. Idena nenu chesindi formula? Say yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the thing what we have done. Now we'll move on to the program. Seema, every program execution starts with main function. Okay, so public static void means string arguments, the graph, which means the given graph, what you have did just now, 0, 5, infinity, 10, infinity, because computer cannot able to understand the graph itself. So we have to represent the graph in the form of either adjacency matrix or in the form of adjacency list. So I have considered it like adjacency matrix. Next, what I have done, all paired shortest path, which is the class name. I have created an object. Next, I have called this, you may call it as all paired shortest path is introduced by Warshall. So you may call the another name is Floyd Warshall. So Floyd Warshall, which is a function I have defined here. So all paired shortest class lo Floyd Warshall lo. What I have passed as my argument, whatever the graph input I have taken, that I am passed as my argument. Next, simply the given matrix A par 0 I have to consider no. So Ij, A par j I have considered as the given distances. Next, K is the intermediate vertex, I is the source, and J is the destination. So if distance of I comma K plus distance of K comma J less than distance of Ij, which means the first one is minimum, then we'll update this as a distance. If this is not minimum, you just come out of, already you have represented the path, no? Already you have represented the exact cost, no? So if using the intermediate vertex, if it is giving me the less value, then I'll update that. Next, print solution. Next, I'm printing the final matrix. What I have written in the print solution, observe carefully. I, J values, instead of infinity, simply I'm printing INF. INF is infinity symbol, we cannot able to print through program. That's why simply I'm using INF keyword. INF means which is infinity, else print the distance. If it is not infinity, you just print the distance. Is there any doubt regarding the program? If you understand the problem clearly, then you can able to write the program. There is nothing difficult here. Is it clear, all of you? This is the only crucial logic. 3 loops. First is K is intermediate vertex. This is the source and this is the destination. Any doubts regarding this? Seshu, Nalini, respond avandamma.
No, I'm clear.
Okay, ma. I'll show you the output. So simply Java C, my program name is all pair shortest path dot Java. If you don't have any errors, means simply it will display the next line. Okay, have you got the same thing once you cross verify 0, 5, 8, 9, infinity, 0, 3, 4, infinity, infinity, 0, 1, 3, infinity, 0. Have you got the same, Nalini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note down and execute. If you get any errors, we'll discuss. Okay. Under execute చేయండి. Shall I scroll down, Nalini? Shall I scroll down, ma? Okay. Shall I scroll down, ma? Nalini? Done, ma, Nalini. Have you completed?
Top of the program ones.
అర్థం కాలేదమ్మా.
స్టార్టింగ్ చూపియారన్నాను ఒకసారి.
ఓకే. Did you get the output, ma? Nalini? Okay. Okay, ma, all of you have executed. Any doubts? Seshu, roll number 39. Have you completed? Okay, ma, I'm moving forward. Next problem under this dynamic programming is traveling salesperson. Okay, next problem is traveling salesperson. TSP. TSP means it is traveling salesperson. What does this traveling salesperson means? The name itself, he is a salesperson. He has to travel to all the cities and come back to the origin city with minimum cost and maximum profit. Okay, with minimum cost, what is the shortest path? He has to visit all the cities and come back to the origin city. For example, there are A, B, C, D. Assume these are the cities and the traveling salesperson is at the city A. Okay, the traveling salesperson is at the city A, you assume. he has to travel to the all the cities and again come back to the origin city with the minimum distance. Okay, with the minimum distance, he has to travel towards all the cities and come back to the origin city. Did you understand the problem? Question? Say yes or no. Right, ma. Now, I'm not explaining the problem because the time is not enough to explain the problem. Doing the solution is not. The time is not enough to complete. So briefly, I'll explain how can we traverse and I'll show you the program. In the next session, if time permits, we'll do the problem also. In the next session, we'll do the problem because if I start, the time is not enough to complete the entire problem. So I'll directly briefly explain the solution to the problem and dig into the program. Okay. So first, assume A to B and B to C. This is the given graph. He has to start from A to B. After that, B to C. Okay. After that, he may feel C to E is the shortest part. Then he visits C to E and then E to D and then D to E. So the path is A to B, B to C, C to D, and sorry, C to E and E to D and D to E. Is this directed graph or undirected graph? That may be directed, that may be undirected, but it is a weighted graph based on the distance, based on the cost. Suppose 12, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, they'll give you the cost. Based on the cost only, we can move. Based on the cost only, we can move. Which one will give you the shortest path? Not only A, B, C, D, E, A. You can move A, E, D, C, B, A. Suppose if the cost is 10 here, instead of going A to B, you can go to A to E, and then E to D, and then D to C, C to B, B to A. You can move in this direction also. I think I have given simple explanation regarding traveling salesperson. Am I clear with this? What is traveling salesperson? Please respond. Clear, Manalini? Please respond. If your mic is not working, reply in the chat box. Is it clear? Did you get some clarity regarding this TSP? Are you there, Nalini?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, ma? Not yet?
Yes.
Simple thing, ma. Here A to B, B to C, C to D. This is the path they have given to you. You have to start from A and visit all the vertices and come back to the A. So you can go A, B, C, D, E, A, or you can go A, E, D, C, B, A. Any direction you may go, with the least cost you have to come back to the origin city. That is the thing we have to find. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll directly go into the program. Anyway, in the next session, I'll explain the problem also. Directly, I'm going to the program. Traveling salesman problem. Earlier problem in the all-pair shortest path, I have taken the array static. Avuna kada program lone nenu array pass chesa, which means the input is static. Now problem lo ala chesam kabatti ee problem lo run time lo ela read cheyali, run time lo teeskunnanu ela read cheyalo chudandi. Scanner simply system.out.println enter number of cities, which means how many vertices are there. A, B, C, D, E, 5 vertices, no? So simply enter n value. That I have written like enter number of cities. I'm reading it. You can read to scanner class. Scanner class is object is in, so in dot next int of. Suppose if the given number of vertices is only one ante inka atanu travel cheyadaniki edaina unda, nothing is there. So simply path is not possible. Simply you can exit from the system. Next, enter the matrix. Matrix means It is a two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array means I represents the rows, J represents the columns. So Cij is equals to scanner class is in dot next int. Any doubt regarding this up to this point? Any doubt, ma? Next, simply I'm filling it with visited or not visited, and I'm calling TSPDP. What I have written in the TSPDP, traveling salesperson distance path, it stands for. Okay, here start is equals to n minus 1. N minus 1 means how many vertices do you feel? Start is equals to n minus 1 means how many vertices you are assuming? Only two vertices are there. Two vertices means simply n minus 1 cost plus nth cost. That's it. If more than two vertices there exist, so more than two vertices means we have to represent that in the two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array means we need two loops, I loop and J loop. This is the only thing, ma. Same as like earlier. Start, which means A to B. B to C, some cost you got. A to B, B to D. If you feel that cost is minimum, then update that cost. Min cost is then update that cost. This is the only line we have to implement. So return that min cost. That's it. Is there any confusion? Is there any confusion, ma? Simple thing. Earlier already we have seen the input and the compiler input at compile time. Now, so that's why we have taken runtime. Only thing is that A to B, B to C generally will follow. If you feel B to D is the least cost, update that. I think I'm clear with this. Right? I'll show you the output, ma. Is it visible? Java C space TSP dot Java space TSP. Enter number of cities. Simply for example purpose, I have taken 3 cities, which means how many numbers I have to enter? 3. 3 means 3 by 3 matrix you'll get, which means 9 values we have to enter. So first I'm entering 0. This is 1, 2. Next is some 2, 0, 3. Next is 1, 3, 0. Which means 1 to 1 is 0, 2 to 2 is 0, 3 to 3 is 0, I'm assuming. See, the optimal tour is 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and the cost is 5, which means 1, 2, 2 is 1, and 2 to 3 is 2 to 3 is some 3 like that. Minimum cost is 5. Am I clear with this, ma? Sheshu, Nalini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note down the program and execute. Anyway, definitely I'll explain the problem also in the next session. Please note it down.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Shall I scroll down, ma? Done, ma? Shall I scroll down? Yes. Nalini? Last 5 minutes, make it fast. Okay, ma. This is the last statement. That's it. Done, Nalini? Okay, those who did not complete it, again will see the problem and the program in the next session too. Okay? If you have any doubt, you raise your voice. Anyway, we'll see this problem in the next session too. Nalini, is it okay? Shall I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm ending the session, ma. Anyway, we'll discuss this in the next session too.